Present perfect tense exercises. Exercise 1. Put the verbs in present perfect tense. Number 1. They blank to Japan. Answer. They have traveled to Japan. Number 2. He blanked to work. This is in negative form. Answer. He hasn't gone to work. Number 3. The dog blanked the TV. Answer. The dog has broken the TV. Number 4. This is a negative form. He blanked a new TV. Answer. He hasn't bought a new TV. Number 5. I blanked my hair. Answer. I have washed my hair. Number 6. This is a negative form. She blanked the pizza. Answer. She hasn't eaten the pizza.